Hello guys, good morning. Alright, so today I'm going to be making another video. Oh yep, and the video is going to be like a kitchen hack on how to get the stuff open. Now it's not necessarily only a tomato can. It can be any can at all that you can't find your can opener, or you can't afford to use a knife, the usual way of. Anyway, I'm going to show you that later. So guys, if you're new to my channel, endeavor to subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to share the video. Share some love, baby. All right guys, so without further ado, let's get into the video, baby. You decide. All right guys, so previously we actually used to open up can with a knife like this. You just open it up and you're doing like this for the can to open up. Well, that is how I grew up to see how my parents actually open up can, and that is how I knew how to open up can. Now I learned this recently when I traveled to Aba, and I met a particular chef who taught me how to open up can with a knife still, but with a very simple way. And that is why I'm making this video, to show you how to do that. That's in case you don't have can opener, or you just can't find it. Well, I know most of us do have can opener, but if you're just watching the video for fun, fine. All right, so let's go. So what he did was that he kept the knife this way, because this side of the can is softer than the side of the can. Okay, so he kept the knife this way, and he now cuts the can this way. Alright, so you have to make sure to use a sharp knife to do this. You don't need too much of strength to open up the can, because the can from this way is not thick like this other side. So what he did was he did this way, and alright, so you're just gonna be patient a little bit. And oops, the can is open. You can see this. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, which is so time saving, it does not consume any of your time, is for you to walk the knife through the can by pressing it this way. And this is just very simple, and it's so amazing. You can see that it's just opening, and trust me, you guys know I don't even have much strength, so you don't need so much strength in doing this. Okay, I'm actually just holding it this way so you guys can see the side of the can. All right, okay, let me hold it this way. All right, so you just walk it down like this, pressing it with just light strength. You don't need much strength. You don't even need to call anybody to help you do this. Okay, so you have to press it with your hand like this, all right, so that it can just go easily and very fast. Okay, and that is it. All right, so I decided to leave a little of it so I can just open it up, and this is it. Oops, very simple. So you can as well just turn all of that into a plate or whatever, however you want to do it. All right, so I would love to try that out with this second can, so I can show you guys how simple it is. Okay, so what the first thing is to cut. Just slight strength, you don't need much strength. All right, so after you've cut, then you walk the knife down by pressing and just walking it through the can. This is really simple, and it does not really take much of your strength like the one you have to, you know, do it this way. If you've actually opened up a can through this way with a knife, you should know what I'm talking about, of course. All right, you should understand what I'm talking about. You know how difficult that usually is, and this is the most easiest way to open up a can. It can be any can, not just tomato can. And it's really freaking fast. And whoop, the can is open. Alright guys, so I guess there's a little bit of tomato on my nose. The stuff flew and alright guys, so that's it. That's just the kitchen hack that I needed to show you guys. If you did enjoy the video in any way, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share the video, and I'll see you tomorrow in my next video. Do you love my hairstyle? I decided to make a very short, simple and beautiful hairstyle. Like, I can just, you know, rock this to anywhere. I don't need to comb it, I don't need to style it, I don't need to do anything. It's just very simple, and it doesn't, you know, cause heat because I can remove it and sleep with just my hair. Yep guys. Alright, so I'll see you soon. Bye.